Hello everyone, welcome to the KonnectzIT platform. So we'll be working on a connect today which will involve two applications which is called Formstack and the other one is going to be Activecampaign. So what exactly we are going to do in this particular connect is I have a form here already. So I'm going to capture the leads from here and add them as a contact into my Activecampaign. Also, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add these contacts into the specified list which has been created here already. So we are going to automate these two applications, that is Formstack and Activecampaign, using KonnectzIT. So how exactly we are going to do that? We are going to see a step-by-step tutorial for that. So first of all, we have to start with the authorization of applications. So I've taken Activecampaign here. I'm going to click on add an account. So this is going to ask me an API token and API URL. For that, I'll just go to the Activecampaign, then to the settings, and here I have to go to the developer section. So this is the URL that I have and this is the token. So I will just copy the URL and place at the desired spot. For the token, I will copy the key here and place it right here. So now since we are done with both the parameters, I'm just going to click on yes and continue. So yes, as you can see, the authorization of Activecampaign is successfully done, where we'll be working on a connect here. So here we are going to connect Formstack and Activecampaign. I'll just place the trigger, which is Formstack. So we have to choose the desired trigger, which is going to be configure the webhook. And I'm going to copy this URL and place it at the desired spot by following the instructions which are given here. So for it, I will just go to the form stack, then to the form that I've already created. Here we are going to go at the build section so that I'll be able to show you how exactly the form looks like. So this is a very simple form that I've created, which requires a few personal details of the customer. So now to place the webhook URL, we'll just go to the settings. And here we have to go to the emails and action here. And in the advanced setting, we are going to get an option to add a webhook. So I'll just click on add a webhook and I'm going to place the URL here. And we just have to click on create webhook here. And yes, as you can see, it has been successfully created. Now we will just go and click on view the live form. This is the form that I have. So we'll just capture the webhook response. So for the webhook to capture the response, I have to initially give some kind of data here. So I will just fill the form. So I'll just submit this. So yes, I've submitted the form. So I'm going to get the details over here in Formstack. So yes, as you can see, I have got the details of the person that I had just entered into Formstack. So next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and place the Activecampaign, which is our action here. So we are going to add the details of this particular customer as a contact into my Activecampaign. So here I have to first of all choose the account. Then I have to choose the action, which will be create or update a contact. So now I just have to map the required fields. So the first name here, then I have the last name, then I'm going to give the email ID and also lastly the phone number that I have here. So now once we are done mapping the fields, I have to click on test and review. So yes, as you can see, the data has been successfully sent to the Activecampaign. If we go and check the attributes, we have all the details. So what right now I'm interested is into the contact ID, which will help me to add this particular contact into the specified list. So again, I'm just going to drag and drop the Activecampaign here and choose the specified account. And then now I'm going to choose an action as add contact to a specified list. So we are just going to choose the list as I had showed you here into my active campaign. If I just go again to the contacts, so this is these are the lists that I have. If I just go to the subscribers, I do not have any contact right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to subscribers here and choose the status also. And next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to give this particular contact ID here. So what this is going to do is the details of this person will be added as a contact into the specified list that I've mentioned here as subscribers. So I'm going to do test and review now. So yes, as you can see, the data has been successfully sent to Active Campaign. Now, since we are done with our Connect now, I'm just going to click on Publish here, which is going to publish the Connect. So yes, we have successfully published our Connect now. So next thing that we are going to do is we are going to fill the form once again. So this is the Connect that we have. So since we had published it, we are just going to get, I'll just reload it and show you. You're going to get Mary here, which I had just added into my Formstack. So yes, as you can see, we had got Mary here. Now, what are we going to do is we are going to fill the form once again to check how exactly it works. So I'll just add one more contact here. Oh, I've entered the wrong number. So yes, I've successfully submitted the form here. So we are also going to get Stephen here since I have submitted. So yes, as you can see, I've got Stephen also into the specified list that we had, which is subscribers. So that's how exactly we can capture the response from the webhook, which is Formstack, and add the person as a contact into ActiveCampaign and also to the specified list. So I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much.